All right, I'm back with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and there's a topic that has been near and dear to my heart for a while because I follow the retail realm. But I saw a documentary a few years ago, maybe even 5 years ago. I'm getting old, but it had documented that Walmart had a lot of issues in its parking lots. You know, Walmart happens to be in some lower income areas, some rougher areas of town, and people had been hurt in parking lots, some injuries, even some shootings. David, if there's a shooting in a Walmart parking lot, is Walmart liable and can they be sued for that personal injury?
Well, first off, it depends on what kind of injury we're talking about and how the injury particularly occurred. Usually I handle cases which involve slip and falls, trip and falls, or some type of injury that occurs within Walmart. We recently had an incident where somebody was transporting a pallet of products that had collapsed that wasn't shrink wrapped. But if it occurs outside in the parking lot, I would imagine that, again, same type of situation. It could be some kind of defect in the problem where they had, I've seen it where they would, they would store where the carts are, they decide to remodel, they cut off the particular partition that holds these carts and leave a piece of metal. That serves as a trip hazard that somebody falls and injures himself. I've seen sometimes the parking lot being dirty or somebody goes ahead and dumps some kind of a slippery substance, and the guy who goes out there to collect all these carts, where he's out there, he has notice of the fact that that could be a potential slip hazard or a trip hazard, whatever it may be. Basically, from the case, I would have to first get involved, find out what the situation was, what is the cause of the injury, and then from there work my way to determine if Walmart has any responsibility for this particular injury. The other incident could be if you have Walmarts where there's people who come and rob people within the parking lot, where if this is a common occurrence, well then Walmart is on notice, knows that people get their vehicles stolen from, or they get held up by gunpoint and their merchandise is taken away from them. In that particular sense, we would say that there's a foreseeable harm that occurs to their customers, and they have a duty to have some type of a security measure to prevent that from happening.
Absolutely, and if anyone watching this video has had an incident where not only Walmart, any retailer or any store really, or any government entity, where there is an issue in the parking lot and it's a personal injury, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. The phone number will be in the YouTube video as well as the information below, and thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.